Did you know that there's a space for comments next to your files inside Teams? That means you can leave quick feedback for your colleagues or an update on the status or purpose of the document. Let's jump into Microsoft Teams and I'll show you how. Here I am in Teams and I've got a couple of course outlines here. I want to leave a comment here for my colleagues next to each file. I'll go to Edit in Grid View and here I can add my comment in. Type your comments in and when you've finished you can exit Grid View up here on the left. So anything you leave in these comments is visible for all your colleagues. And if we jump into SharePoint, we'll see that we can access those same comments inside SharePoint. I'll go to the three dots here and open in SharePoint. So any important notes or updates are immediately visible for everyone on the team. If you'd like to stay ahead of the crowd with tips and tricks for working smarter across Microsoft 365, join our newsletter. I'll leave the link in the comments below.